Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature in Windows 11 that can make troubleshooting your PC a lot easier. We're talking about how to use the settings greater than device specs page and the upcoming FAQ integration that's designed to simplify system info access. Even if you're not a tech expert, stick around because this could save you a lot of time the next time your computer acts up. Microsoft has been testing some exciting new top cards in the Dev and Beta Channel Insider preview builds, specifically build 26120.3380. These top cards are designed to give you a quick snapshot of your PC's hardware, things like your GPU, processor, installed RAM, and storage. Instead of digging through menus or using complicated commands, all the key info is now visible in one place. But here's where it gets even more interesting. A user named Phantom of Earth recently spotted references to an FAQ integration right in the system greater than about page in earlier preview builds. This FAQ is meant to answer common questions about your hardware directly within Windows 11, making troubleshooting easier for non-technical users. While the feature isn't fully functional yet, it shows Microsoft's focus on helping users understand their PC specs without needing outside help. For now, you can still use the device specs section to check your system details. Just go to settings greater than system, greater than about, and you'll see the top card summarizing your processor, RAM, graphics, and storage. If you run into issues, this info is incredibly useful for identifying bottlenecks, but driver problems or compatibility issues. And once the FAQ feature rolls out, it'll likely provide step-by-step answers for common troubleshooting questions, all within Windows itself. So that's a quick look at the Windows 11 device specs page and the exciting FAQ integration coming soon. Keep an eye on your insider builds if you want to test it early. I'll be sharing updates as soon as it becomes fully functional. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.